Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be using my November 2018 BoxyCharm. Alright, to prime my face, I'm going to use the Benefit Porefessional. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in cream beige. I'm going to be spraying my makeup sponge with the BADESCU Rosewater and just blending in my foundation. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Milani Conceal+Perfect in 07 Sand and just darken up my foundation. Alright, and to conceal, I'm going to be using my MAYBELLINE FitMe Concealer in 10 Light. Now I'm going to go in with the Revolution baking powder in banana to set my face. Right, to contour, I'm going to go in with my JORDANA Sculpt and Go stick in tan. Okay, and then to blend that out, I'm going to go in with my round face brush by BS Mall. Then I'm going to be going in with my Nude Rose Palette by Beige Cosmetics just to powder contour. And then just using that same banana powder to sculpt out my cheekbones. Alright, and then for nose contour, I'm going to be going in with my 119 brush from Beige Cosmetics. And then for eyebrows, I'm going to be taking my CHELLA eyebrow pencil in Taupe. Right, and then going in with my Jordana Brow Powder Duo in dark just to fill in those sparse areas of my eyebrow. Alright, and then to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using this MAC 212 SE brush with that same concealer. Alright, and then with that same concealer, I'm going to go in with my Matto angled shading brush just to prime my eyelids. Alright, and then for eyes, I'm going to be dipping into my Grandoise palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm going to be dipping into Cinnamon with this BS Mall, don't know what kind of brush that is, but yeah, right into my crease. Alright, now I'm going to be dipping into the shade Poppy with my Anjou nose contouring brush. Even though this is not a good nose contouring brush, it's more of a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Anyway. Alright, now I'm just going to take my Anjou smudging brush and just blend out those harsh edges. Alright, and then I'm going to just deepen that color with more Poppy. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this, I don't know, this brush that I got off of Amazon with my FitMe concealer, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease. Right now I'm going to cut the other side. Alright, and then for the eyelid, I'm going to be using this shade Prime Rose. And then I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild MegaLiner. So I got this Luxie Luminous Eye Set in my BoxyCharm. Alright, and then on the Luxie 131, I'm going to be taking Poppy and smoking out my under eye. Alright, and then with my Coverfx glitter drops in Nova, got this in my BoxyCharm. I'm going to be using it as highlight, and yeah. And then I'm going to take my Luxie 141 brush. I'm going to dip into that palette again, into Jasmine, and then just place this in my inner corner and my brow bone. Alright, and then for blush, I'm going to use my Nude Rose palette with an Android blush brush. I'm going to be taking this CIATE London highlighter in Moondust, and I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild P75 brush just to go over that FX drops. I'm taking my Jordana EASYLINER in Rockin' Rose to line my lips. And then I'm going to be applying the OFRA liquid lipstick in Ipsy Unzipped. Right, and that's the final look. Thank you guys for watching.